Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the step-by-step process on how you can go about either adding or accepting friend requests on your Nintendo Switch using the friend code, and also where you can go about finding your friend code. So what you want to do is select your profile image at the top of your Nintendo Switch. I'm going to click on the Donkey Kong image. And then once you're in your profile page, what you want to do is go down and select the Add Friend area. Now, if you're accepting a friend request, you want to click on where it says Received Friend Request. It should be in there, and you should be able to accept those friend requests in the Received Friend Requests area. Now, if you want to add somebody using their friend code, what you do is go down and click where it says Search with Friend Code. Now, you might be wondering where you can find your friend code. Well, you can do this either in the Profile tab over on the left-hand side of the screen, or it says it right at the bottom where it says Your Friend Code, and then it says SW followed by 12 digits. That's going to be your friend code, so you can give that to somebody and they can add you with it, or they can give you, of course, their 12-digit friend code as well, and you can type it in this Search with Friend Code area. So I'm selecting Search with Friend Code, and again, you don't need to type in the SW, it's just the 12 digits, and once you add in those 12 digits, click OK, and it will take you to their Nintendo Switch profile, kind of just an overview of it, confirm their identity, and then click where it says Send Friend Request, and then click OK, and at that point, that friend request should successfully send, and it will show up in their Received Friend Requests area. So if the individual that you're adding is having a hard time finding where to accept this friend request, just remind them that they have to click on their profile image, go down to where it says Add Friend, and then click where it says Received Friend Requests, and they should be able to complete the process in that area. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the process on how you go about either adding someone with a friend code or accepting a friend request. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.